Alright, today we're teaching school. Okay, let's go. Jeremy, stop sleeping. Okay. That's what I thought. Today we're going to be learning how to poop out an egg out of your booty. How do you do that? Well, that's why I'm going to teach you. Sharks lay eggs. That's how my family was produced. But you also laid eggs. That's how your family was produced too. You know, that's how most animals are made by eggs. But others can be birthed by natural causes. Like, for example, if an animal just out of its butthole, an animal came out. That's called mammal production. I meant production, so sorry about that. Yeah. Do you know anything about this, Jeremy? Jeremy, wake the f up. Oh, wait, what? What are we learning about today? I quit my job. Now, Jeremy, since you don't want to listen to me today, you're going to get an F on all of your assignments, including this one I'm about to give you. So, since you're getting an F on your assignment, that just means that, well, you're going to get held back into first grade, bub. I teach second grade. Anyway, yeah, how do you feel about that, Jeremy? Huh? What happened? Jeremy! What are you doing? I told you to wake up. Good. You know what? You're banned from school. Go back to kindergarten, actually. I don't want to go back to kindergarten, though. Well, that's too flippin' bad. You should have made better choices, Jeremy. I'm tired of you. Jeremy, wake up. Third time. Huh? What's going on? Huh? Jeremy Jaquavius Thompson the second and a half. Wake up! I'm tired of you sleeping in. I'm tired of you doing all that stupid crap. Just do your work. You just wasted about 5 minutes of my darn life of this stupid sleeping routine. It's school day, not sleep day. But it is Friday. But still, you were a horrible student. Tomorrow, you're getting all F's. You're getting every single bad thing a kid could possibly imagine in school. How do you feel about that, Jeremy Jaquavius Thompson the third? It's 2.5. I don't give a rat's. Anyway, how do you feel about that? Well, I feel kind of What's going on? Jeremy Jaquavius Thompson.